Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Fontaine 48'x102 utility aluminum combo with a universal mount kit, folks. This is a beautiful Fontaine. This unit has been sandblasted, primed and repainted, has a brand new kingpin plate on it. Folks, this unit is in excellent condition. A beautiful refurbed unit. As we come down the passenger side, you can see there's a brand new buyer's toolbox. Folks, we get back to the back here. Tandem spread, refurb 225, steel rim, excellent tire condition, around 75 to 80% all the way around. We can zoom in across here, folks. Brand new pads, used drums. Drums are at about 85%. Folks, this is an excellent unit to put back on the road for you. As we get to the back, we'll take a look here at the universal mounting kit. This will carry a Moffett, Princeton, many other brands of forklift on the back. Folks, I'll rotate around here. You can see a Moffett in the background. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our trucks and trailers available for sale. We have Moffetts and Princetons available, refurbed, ready to go for you. As we come back to the driver's side, you can see the 225 refurbed rims. We'll take a look at the tire tread. Excellent condition. Brand new straps on this unit, folks. This 2008 is in excellent condition. Everything's in working order, ready to go to work for you. Take a look at our website. This is Equipment Remarketing, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our trucks, trailers, and forklifts available for sale. Thank you for your time.